Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Sunday, and the date is the 7th of November 2021. We are learning about changes to the Earth surface, okay? So we said about erosion and weathering. We know all about them and also what are glaciers. All right, Habibi, let's open to page 222 and let's do it together. 222. I'm going to write the page number down here. Page 222. All right, Habibi, who wants to start with me? Let's do number one. Who'd like to start number one? This is the summary of our lesson. Muhammad Fattah, would you like to start? Hi, Muhammad Fattah.
Wait a minute.
Yes. Okay, number one. Yes, you can do.
Can I do number two?
Yes, you can start number one.
The shape of Earth's surface.
No, number one. Weathering and erosion.
Erosion are two processes that
What do they do to the shape of the Earth's surface? What do they do?
They make it smaller.
Okay, so they keep it the same or what?
It doesn't the same. It changes.
Excellent. So it changes. Yeah. Excellent. All right. Number two. Habibi, where are you? I need everyone to participate. Number two. When large pieces of rock are broken down into smaller pieces,
It is easy. It's called weathering.
Yes, that's right. Weathering. Number three, everyone. Quickly.
Miss, let's answer the questions together.
Yes, يلا حبايبي, everyone. Okay? Rayan, Fahad, Jamal, Faris, Muhammad, I want everyone to answer. So, erosion is what? When something and wind and glacier carries these smaller rocks to new places. Who will carry new rocks to new places? Only wind and glaciers? Or there is something
water.
more? Yes. Water. Excellent. Water. Very good. Number four. Habibi, wake up. Erosion can change beaches and riverbanks by taking sand and what away? Habibi, erosion.
Plants.
What's under the plant? What's under the plants? Why the plants are moving? Because we took
grass, soil.
Yes, excellent boys. Soil. Bravo عليكم. Okay, but it can also make new landforms, such as river. When river meets ocean and they make new land by taking away the rocks and sand and clay, put them together. In the opening of the ocean, what did we call it yesterday or before the weekend? We called it something. Delta. Excellent. We called it delta. Now, number six, Habibi. When waves crush against a cliff, take a look at this picture. When the wave crushed against the cliff, what happened?
water go up and then down.
Oh, when the water goes and hits the cliff, what happens?
Hit it.
Will what?
The wave will go up.
The wave will what? The?
It will.
Hi, Rayan, you can try. I want Rayan to try. Rayan, the wave, when the wave hits the cliff, what happened to the cliff?
It will take the rocks.
Yes, first of all, it needs to break it. So when it breaks it, we say it will weather. And then when it takes it away, what do we call taking the rocks away? Weather or something else?
Water. Erode.
Excellent. It will weather and erode the cliff. Very good, very good. Okay, then, Habibi, we need to move a lighthouse from this area. Why we are going to move the lighthouse from this area? What is happening to the land? What is happening to the land? Who can tell me why we are moving the lighthouse? This is the lighthouse. Why we are moving the lighthouse? What happened? Over here, what happened to the land? Why we are moving the lighthouse? Stop writing and try to answer with me. The land will be smaller or bigger?
The wave will erode the cliff.
That's right, ya Muhammad. And what is going to happen to the land?
It will be destroyed.
Yes, the land will.
Yeah, because the rocks, because the lighthouse is in the rocks, and the rocks will get weathering smaller, because the wave.
Because the weathering and erosion. Yes, that's right. Excellent, excellent.
Then the lighthouse will be destroyed.
Yes, that's right. Very good, ya Muhammad. طيب, Habibi. I am going to give you only 2 minutes to finish writing, and we will move to the next question. So I'm going to pause the recording only for 2 minutes, okay? Only 2 minutes. Okay, Habibi. Go to the next page. Okay, let's agree on something. You are not going to write down the letters in the boxes over here because we don't have enough time to do that right now. We are going to write the numbers next to the word in the yellow box. Later, you can copy them when you are free, okay? Deal? Deal?
Okay.
Very good. So, and also we are going to start number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, okay? We're not going from up to down. No, we are following the numbers. So let's do it. Let's do number 1. Who would like to start with me?
Me.
Okay, let's start with you. Breaking of rock into smaller pieces. What do we call it? Choose a word from the breaking down. Breaking of
weathering.
Rock. Yes.
Weathering.
Excellent. It is weathering. Number 1 is weathering. Who wants to do number 2? Number 2 is up there. Who will do number 2?
Me.
Okay, Habibi. A river carries soil here. So it's a new landform in the opening of the ocean, and the river will carry the soil over there. What do we call this new landform?
Delta.
Yes, excellent, bravo. It is delta. That's right. Thank you very much. So let's do number 3. Who's ready for number 3? Yes, ya Mendili, number 3. Another word for stones.
What?
Another word for stone.
Stones. Stones is
Is it soil or rocks? Or
rocks. Rocks.
yes, that's right. It's rocks. So number 3 is rocks. ها حبايب. Number 4 يا ماما. To melt after freezing. We call it, hi Faris, to melt after freezing. Is it freeze, melt, or thaw?
Oh.
Yes, that's right. Number 4 is thaw. Who wants to do number 5? Number 5 حبايبي. ها يا محمد. محمد متوكل. Number 5 يا محمد متوكل. This part of plant can cause weathering. Which part of the plant can break down rocks? Is it the root or the soil? Hi متوكل. This part of the plant will break down the rocks. Is it the root or the soil يا متوكل? Can you hear me? محمد متوكل. Muhammad, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. This part of the plant, okay, will cause weathering. It will break down the rocks. Is it the soil or the root?
Soil.
The soil will break down the rocks?
No.
So,
Roots.
yes, very good. So it can cause weathering. The roots can cause weathering. Very good. Number 6, حبايب. Number 6. A change from a liquid to a solid. A change from a liquid to a solid. What do we call this change? Who knows? What do we call this change? Is it melt or freeze?
Melt.
Liquid to a solid.
Freeze.
Is freeze. So number 6 is freeze. Excellent. Very good. What is number 7, حبايبي? Number 7. When this is washed away, plants cannot grow. Washed away means,
Erosion.
okay, when this erosion, okay, hits this part, plant will not grow. Now think with me, what does a plant need to grow? Does it need erosion to grow?
Soil.
Yes.
Soil.
So soil is number 7. Excellent.
Go to the bathroom.
Yes, ya habibi, you can go to the bathroom. Number 8. When wind and water move rocks, sand, or soil, what do we call this process?
Erosion.
Yes, erosion. Excellent, boys. Excellent, ya Rayyan. Okay, where is Umar today? Umar is not here? Okay, let's do number 9. Fahad.
In the classes you will.
Fahad, ya Fahad.
Yes.
A large moving ice, what do we call it? A large moving sheet of ice. Is it melt or glacier?
Glacier.
Yes, that's right. Excellent. Number 9 is a glacier. Finally, number 10, حبايبي. When a solid turns to a liquid, definitely it is
Melt.
yes, that's correct. That's right. Melt. All right, ya habibi. That was everything for today. I hope you...
I write it on the box. Look.
Yes, now you can start writing on the boxes.
Why did it all in the
Please
box?
stop recording and I will give you the time to write down the answers.
Look.
Very good.